Some moms are more likely to have twins. Do you know why? Let's break it down! First, genetics play a huge role. If twins run in the family, especially on the mother's side, your chances go up. Second, age matters. Women over 30, especially between 35-40, are more likely to release more than one egg during ovulation. And that means a higher chance of fraternal twins. Third, diet and nutrition. Some studies show that women who eat more dairy and certain root vegetables, like yams, may have a slightly higher chance of conceiving twins. And here's an interesting one. Having more pregnancies in the past also increases the odds, because the body gets more used to ovulation changes. Of course, nothing can guarantee twins. It's still mostly up to nature. But these factors definitely boost the chances. Double the babies, double the joy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more amazing facts about life and baby development.